Hey everyone! Welcome to my new YouTube channel, where we explore the world of food and bring you the most delicious and authentic recipes from around the globe. I'm so excited to share my passion for cooking and travel with you all. I've always been fascinated by the way food brings people together, and how each culture has their own unique flavors and techniques. On this channel, you can expect to find recipes from all over the world. We'll be covering everything from appetizers to desserts, and I promise you'll find something new and exciting to try every week. I'm a firm believer that food is meant to be shared, and I can't wait to share these recipes with you all. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a beginner looking to expand your skills, there's something here for everyone. And it's not just about the food, we'll also be exploring the cultures and traditions behind each recipe. I'll be taking you on a journey around the world,